ये जो संस्थान है इसकी स्थापना हमारे फाउंडर डॉक्टर ओ.पी. भल्ला द्वारा की गई, जो एक सोच थी कि मानव रचना जो एक मूवमेंट है वो इस देश में एक बदलाव लाएगा। शिक्षा के अलावा जो उनकी सब सोच रही थी कि हम एक ऐसा बदलाव चाहते हैं कि जो एक संपूर्ण मानवता के लिए और एक अच्छे संस्कार बच्चों को देने के लिए मानव रचना हमेशा जाना जाएगा। उसी घड़ी में आगे बढ़ते हुए हम उसी उनके ध्येय को आगे बढ़ा रहे हैं। और एक शुरुआत छोटी सी रही थी, शायद 180 बच्चों की से पहला जो हमारा एक सत्र 1997 में स्टार्ट हुआ था, और आज हम करीबन 28,000 से ऊपर बच्चे हमारे संस्थानों में पढ़ रहे हैं और 35,000 से ऊपर हमारे एलुमनाई हैं। तो ये सब उनकी विजन रही जिसको हम आगे बढ़ाते हुए चल रहे हैं। और हम चाहे बात करें संस्कृति की, चाहे नवाचार की, चाहे इनोवेशन की और जो रिसर्च की, सब एरिया में मानव रचना हमेशा आगे बढ़ता रहा है। स्वास्थ्य और कल्याण, सभी के लिए शिक्षा और समानता, ये मानव रचना का ध्येय रहा है। और इसी ध्येय से आगे बढ़ते हुए आज जो मैं समझता हूँ कि अपना नाम मानव रचना ने बहुत आगे बढ़ाया है। और जो लोग हमारे साथ जुड़े रहे हैं इस 25 साल की हमारे सफर में, ये सब मैं उनका धन्यवादी हूँ जिस तरीके से उन्होंने सपोर्ट किया। और इसी वर्ष हमें भारत के माननीय राष्ट्रपति श्री रामनाथ कोविंद जी द्वारा 13 नवंबर 2021 को खेल जगत में उत्कृष्ट योगदान के लिए राष्ट्रीय खेल प्रोत्साहन पुरस्कार मिला। वो अपने में एक गर्व का विषय था। हमारे सरकार तलवार जी जो हमारे डायरेक्टर स्पोर्ट्स रहे, उनको लाइफ टाइम अचीवमेंट अवार्ड द्रोणाचार्य पुरस्कार नवाजा गया। हमारे एक एलुमनाई अभिषेक वर्मा को एक अर्जुना पुरस्कार से सम्मानित किया गया। तो अपने में ये एक मानव रचना परिवार की बहुत एक बड़ी उपलब्धि थी। और मुझे उम्मीद है कि जैसे हम इकट्ठे चलते रहे हैं इतने सालों में, और आप सबका सहयोग, समाज का सहयोग हमें मिला है, और हमारे जो आज छात्र यहाँ पे हमारे से जुड़े हैं, कोविड की परेशानियों के कारण हम उनको फिजिकली आज काफ़ी लोगों को नहीं बुला पाए, लेकिन ये मैं वादा करना चाहता हूँ कि जैसे ये परिस्थितियाँ और बेटर होंगी, हम सभी बच्चों को यहाँ पे ज़रूर बुलाएंगे और उनके साथ मुलाकात भी रहेगी। और उनको जो ये प्रोग्राम है, उस प्रोग्राम की कड़ी को आगे बढ़ाते हुए जो हमारे एलुमनाई के रिलेशंस हैं, उस रिलेशंस को कल्टिवेटेड जैसे हमने इतने सालों से रखा है वैसे ही रखेंगे। और जो आज बच्चे आज यहाँ जुड़े हैं, जो यहाँ आए हैं, मैं उनको मुबारकबाद देना चाहता हूँ। और जो हमसे दूर दूर से जुड़े हैं देश विदेशों से, उनको मुबारकबाद देना चाहता हूँ कि ये एक अलग ही क्षण होता है आप सबकी ज़िंदगी का। आप इसका भरपूर आनंद लें और आगे जो ज़िंदगी में और अच्छा कर सकें, और अपना आज जैसे कुछ प्रेरणा स्रोत यहाँ पे आए हैं उन लोगों की बातें सुने और उनसे प्रेरणा लें और अपने आप को आगे और अच्छा करें अपनी ज़िंदगी में और आगे बढ़ें। धन्यवाद।
Thank you so much, sir. Now, starting with the convocation ceremony, may I solicit Dean Academics, Professor Dr. Sangeeta Banga, to request the conferment of degrees to graduates of Doctor of Philosophy. Also, may I request Honorable Chancellor Sir and other dignitaries on the dais to kindly come forward to award the degrees to the recipients, please.
I would request all the PhD degree recipients to please rise, and I would request Honorable Vice Chancellor Sir. Honorable Vice Chancellor Sir, I present to you 22 candidates who have been certified after examination to be duly qualified to receive the degree of Doctor of Philosophy under Faculty of Applied Sciences, Faculty of Education and Humanities, Faculty of Engineering and Faculty of Management and Commerce, to which I request that they, including those in absentia, may be admitted.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as the Vice Chancellor of this university, I admit the candidates, including those in absentia, to the degree of Doctor of Philosophy under the Faculty of Applied Sciences, Faculty of Education and Humanities, Faculty of Engineering and Faculty of Management and Commerce, and in token thereof, I present you this degree.
I request our chief guest of honor, Chancellor sir, Vice President sir,
और तुमने
please
पास ये
come
किसान
forward
वाली है जो
and
कर
give
पाया
away
मैं।
the degrees. And as I would
ठंड से
announce the
कितनी
name of the
राहत मिलेगी
degree
किसानों को
recipients, I would
खेती को
also
लेकर
request our Dean of
डाल
Faculties,
डाल रहा हूँ।
please join in awarding these degrees. So starting with our first candidate from Faculty of Applied Sciences, I would request all the respective Dean of Faculties to join. Mr. Ankur Chahal, Faculty of Applied Sciences, who has worked in the area of study of interaction between environmental pollutants and small-sized metallic clusters using density functional theory under the supervision of Professor Heather Abbas from Physics Department. Mr. Ankur Chahal, please. Next we have Mr. Pramod Kumar from Faculty of Education and Humanities, who worked on effect of mental health on educational aspirations, scholastic and non-scholastic, performance of 9th standard students of government schools in urban and rural areas in Haryana, a comparative studies, under the supervision of Dr. Babita Prashar and Professor B.S. Nagi as co-supervisor. Please give a big round of applause for the hard work that they have put in for the last 5-6 years. Next we have Ms. K. Deepa from Faculty of Engineering on routing and smart grids under the supervision of Dr. Shruti Vashisht and Dr. Zahruddin from Jamia Millia Islamia. Next we have Ms. Niharika Thakur from Faculty of Engineering. She worked on intelligent power quality improvement under deregulated environment under the supervision of Dr. Y.K. Avasthi and Professor A.S. Siddiqui from Jamia Millia Islamia as her co-supervisor. Next we have Ms. Yogita Khanna from Faculty of Engineering. She worked on design and computational analysis of metamaterials for microwave and the P-Hertz system under the supervision of Dr. Y.K. Avasthi. Ms. Manisha Hooda from Faculty of Engineering. She worked on intelligent models and algorithms for deregulated electricity market under the supervision of Professor Y.K. Avasthi and Dr. A.S. Siddiqui from Jamia Millia Islamia. Ms. Manisha Hooda. Mr. Joginder Singh from Faculty of Engineering. He worked on study of mechanical behavior of carbon fiber reinforced composites under the supervision of Dr. M.R. Tyagi ji. Next we have Ms. Nitika from Faculty of Engineering. She worked on design and analysis of polymer-based hybrid solar cells and theoretical characterization for the solar cells under the supervision of Dr. Shiv Kumar Dikshit. Next is Ms. Urmila Pilania from Faculty of Engineering. She worked on an optimized video stenography technique using hybrid approach under the supervision of Dr. Pranima Gupta and Dr. Rohit Kavar as co-supervisor. Next we have Ms. Monica Goyal from Faculty of Engineering. She worked on energy prediction for smart buildings pertaining to the heating, ventilation and air conditioning plants using machine learning techniques under the supervision of Dr. Nirmal Pandey. Next we have Ms. Shailja Gupta from Faculty of Engineering. She worked on automated hate speech detection for user comments on online platforms under the supervision of Dr. Sachin Lakra. Next we have Ms. Smriti Mahajan from Faculty of Management and Commerce. She worked on study on the relationship of customer attitude with behavioral intentions in green food product under the supervision of Dr. Animesh Singh and Dr. Rajat Gera. Next we have Ms. Priyanka Chadda, Faculty of Management and Commerce, an empirical study on the determination of usage and adoption intention and behavior with regard to mobile shopping application in India under the supervision of Dr. Pooja Kapoor and Dr. Rajat Gera, as well as Dr. Vandana Ahuja as the co-supervisor. Next we have Ms. Radhika Malhotra from Faculty of Management and Commerce. She worked on impact of customer relationship management on customer loyalty in luxury hotels, again under the supervision of Dr. Priyanka Shrivastava and Dr. Rajat Gera. Next we have Mr. Anuj Bansal from Faculty of Management and Commerce. He worked on a comparative analysis of internet marketing vis-a-vis traditional marketing in context to consumer buying behavior under the supervision of Dr. Priyanka Shrivastava. Next we have Ms. Soumya Singh from Faculty of Management and Commerce. She worked on the role of media and market in shaping health consciousness, a study of millennial generation under the supervision of Dr. Pooja Kapoor and Professor Sanjay Shrivastava as one of her co-supervisors, along with Professor Anand Prakash from Delhi University. Next we have Mr. Ashish Gupta from Faculty of Management and Commerce. He worked on ranking and accreditation system in higher education in India, an empirical study under the supervision of Dr. Sachita Yadav and Professor Sanjay Shrivastava and Professor B.S. Nagiji as their co-supervisors. Next we have Ms. Riya Sapra from Faculty of Engineering. She worked on methodologies for implementing blockchain in novel application areas under the supervision of Dr. Parnita Dhaliwal. Next we have Ms. Jayanti Sahai from Faculty of Management and Commerce. She worked on inclusive work-life balance culture amongst female employee and its role in organizational effectiveness in selected MNCs, PSUs and private organizations in India under the supervision of Dr. Manmeet Balina and co-supervision of Professor Sanjay Shrivastava. Next we have Ms. Gauri Bhasin from Faculty of Management and Commerce. She worked on the Transformational HR Leadership Code, Character Commitment and Competency, a qualitative study under the supervision of Professor Parul Jhajaria and co-supervision of Professor Sanjay Shrivastava. Next we have Mr. Sunny Bansal from Faculty of Management and Commerce. He worked on a study on teaching competencies and self-concept of selected government and private primary school teachers in Haryana under the supervision of Professor Parul Jhajaria and co-supervision of Professor Sanjay Shrivastava and Professor B.S. Nagiji. And the last candidate who could not join us here but he is present virtually is Mr. Raman Tiwari from Faculty of Management and Commerce. He worked on investigation and application of artificial intelligence techniques in e-commerce under the supervision of Professor Rajat Gera and co-supervision of Professor Smriti Shrivastava. Congratulations to all of the degree recipients. Congratulations, and now you are Dr.